inequalities. See, for example, a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b. See here, equal to symbol is there. It means a is included as well as b is included. In the given figure, we represent with dot. Okay, so which is a is there as well as b is there. So it can take any value between a and b. So that is what this means. It means x can take any value lies in between a and b, including a and b. So sometimes they will give this box, okay, closed box. Similarly, a less than, there is no equal to symbol here. It means it can take any value greater than a. It can't take the value of a. A less than x less than or equal to b. So it will take all the values less than b and also equal to b. So this is an open bracket and this is closed bracket. See, a is not there, so that is the reason we are writing as a, here we are representing open bracket. See, as a is not included, we indicate with light color bubble. So here b is there, so dark color bubble we indicated. It means a to b, it can take any value a to b, including b. It can't take a. Okay, now a less than or equal to x less than b. It means it can take value of a and greater than a up to b, but it can't take b because here equal to symbol is not there. See, in the graph, a is there, b is not there. So it can take any value that lies in between a and b. Now a less than x less than b, it means it will take values between a and b. It can't take values of a and b. It will take value of a between a and b. So it will take values between a and b, but it can't take a and it can't take b. Now minus infinity less than x less than or equal to b. It means it will take all negative values which are less than b. Okay, now here, see here, what is the case? It takes all the values. Here less than or equal to is given, so it can take the value of b as well. So that is the reason we indicate with dark bubble. Now coming to here, this can also be written as x less than or equal to b. So any value it can take less than or equal to b. Now coming to here, minus infinity less than x less than b. What is the difference between the previous one and this one? Here it will take all the values excluding b. In the previous case, it takes b. In this case, it can't take b because equal to symbol is not there. So that is the reason we represent with a light color bubble. So it will take all the values less than b. Similarly, a less than or equal to x less than infinity. It means here equal to symbol is there. So a is included. So that is the reason. So we indicate with dark bubble. So it will take all the values greater than a. So which can also be written as x greater than or equal to a. Now see here, a less than x less than infinity. It means it will take all the values greater than a, but it can't take the value of a because equal to symbol is not there. So in the exams, they will give this inequality and ask which of the following graph represents the following inequality. So you have to be careful here. One by one. What is given inequality? A less than or equal to x less than or equal to b. Now what is given? Less than or equal to, it means a is included and b is also included. For that reason, we are giving closed brackets. So in the number line, this is how we represent. Let us see few examples. Minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. It means the lowest value is minus 3. X will take minus 3. And the highest value is 2. X will take 2 because equal to symbol is there. And also it will take values lies in between minus 3 and 2. Okay. Now go for the other example. Minus 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to minus 1. What is the lower limit? Minus 4. Minus 4 is the lower limit. What is the upper limit? Minus 1. It will take both minus 4 as well as minus 1. and also x can take any value lies in between -4 and -1. Let us go for the third example. 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. Here also, what is the lower limit? 1. What is the upper limit? 4. It will take any value lies in between 1 and 4, including 1 and 4. Why? Because equal to symbol is there here. Let us see the another example. A less than x less than or equal to b. Here a is less than x. It means x can't take the value of a. So that is the reason we are giving open bracket. And b is in closed bracket. Closed bracket indicates b is included. This is the graph on your number line. A is not there and b is there. And also it will take the values from a to b. Okay, including b. -3 less than x less than or equal to 2. So it can't take -3. It can't take -3, but from -3 onwards it can take till 2. What is the maximum value? Maximum value is 2. Here it can take -2.9999 and so on, but it can't take -3 because equal to symbol is not there. So x can take any value greater than -3 and less than 2 including 2 because here equal to symbol is there. So this part is very important. Similarly, -4 less than x less than or equal to -1. See, greater than -4 till -1 including 1 because less than or equal to is given including -1. It will take values from -4 to -1. -4 is not included whereas -1 is included. Now coming to here, 1 less than x less than or equal to 4. 1 is not there. 1 can't be there in this. But 4 will be there because equal to symbol is given. 4 is included. 4 is included. From 1 to 4, it can take any value including 4. That is what this inequality means. See here, other example. A less than or equal to x. It means a is included. For that reason, we are giving closed bracket. X less than b. So b is not included. So open bracket. So a will be included and b won't be there. So this is the indication in the number line. So a is dotted line. It means bubbled, not bubbled, whereas b is a bubbled one. Bubbled indicates not there. Now coming to here. -3 less than or equal to x less than 2. Here equal to symbol is there. So -3 is included. And it can take values up to 2, but it can't take the value of 2. It can't take the value of 2 because equal to symbol is not there. So x can take any value that lies in between -3 and 2. For example, it will take -2, it will take -1, it can take 0, it can take 1, it can't take 2. It can take 1.5 and so on. Any value it can take. For example here, -4 less than or equal to x less than -1. It means x can take -4. But x can't take -1 because equal to symbol is there. Equal to symbol is not there. So we can say that x can take -3.5. X can take -2. X can take -2.5. X can take -3.1 and so on, but it can't take -1. So x can take any value that lies in between -4 and -1. -1 is not included and -4 is included because equal to symbol is there here. Now coming to third example. 1 less than or equal to x less than 4. So what is the lower value of x? Lower value of x is 1. So x can take 1. X can take 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 2, 2.4, 2.5, 3, 3.5 and so on. It can take 3.999, but it can't take 4 because equal to symbol is not there. Okay. See here, what is given? A less than or equal to x less than infinity. It means a is included. For that reason, we are keeping closed bracket. And infinity, up to infinity, it can take any value greater than a and also a. -3 less than or equal to x less than infinity. It means the lower limit is fixed. It can take minus 3, minus 3.1, sorry, minus 3, minus 2.9, minus 2.5, minus 1, 0, 1, 1.2, 2.4, 3, 3.4, 4, and so on. It can take 100, 1000, 2000, and so on up to infinite. It can take any value up to infinite. This can also be written as x greater than or equal to minus 3. Similarly here, minus 4 less than or equal to x less than infinity. This can also be written as x greater than or equal to minus 4. X starts from taking minus 4. It will take minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and so on up to infinite. Now, 1 less than x less than or equal to x less than infinity. It means the lower limit of value of x is fixed, which is 1. It can take any value greater than 1. This can also be written as x greater than or equal to 1. Here 1 is included. Okay. See here another inequality. A less than x less than infinity. Here equal to symbol is not there, so we are writing open bracket. Okay, it means a won't be there, but it can take any value greater than a. So this can also be written as x is greater than a. Minus 3 less than x less than infinity can also be written as x is greater than minus 3. It means x can't take minus 3, but it will take any value greater than minus 3. For example, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and so on up to infinite. It can't take minus 3, but it will take any value greater than minus 3 up to infinite. Similarly, minus 4 less than x less than infinite means x is greater than minus 4. It means x can take any value greater than minus 4. X is greater than 1 or 1 less than x less than infinite. It means x can't take value of 1, but it can take any value greater than 1. A less than x less than b. So here neither a nor b is included, but it can take any value that lies in between a and b. For that reason, we are representing with open brackets. Okay, this is neither a nor b is included, but it will take any value that lies in between a and b. Similarly, minus 3 less than x less than 2. It can't take minus 3, it can't take 2, but it can take any value that lies in between minus 3 and 2. For example, it can take 0, it can take minus 1, it can take minus 2, it can take minus 1.5, it can take 0.5, and so on. Similarly, look at this example. Minus 4 less than x less than minus 1. So here the lower limit is minus 4, but it can't take minus 4. Equal to symbol is not there. So it can't take minus 4, it can't take minus 1, but it can take any value that lies in between